Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Ever pondered on the what, when, and how of using aspirin? Aspirin, a common household name, serves primarily as a pain reliever and fever reducer. In certain scenarios, doctors might even recommend it to prevent heart attacks, strokes, and chest pain. But how and when should one use aspirin? Let's unravel that mystery. Aspirin is a versatile medication, but it needs to be used correctly to reap its benefits. The journey starts with a consultation with a healthcare professional to determine if aspirin is right for you. Next, reading the medication guide is crucial for understanding the correct dosage and potential side effects. Finally, the pill should be swallowed whole with a full glass of water. It's not to be chewed or crushed unless your doctor gives specific instructions to do so. Remember, proper use ensures the best outcomes. Timing is crucial when it comes to taking aspirin. Generally, aspirin is best taken after meals to prevent stomach upset. If your doctor prescribes it, ensure you're taking it at the same time daily. Consistency and timing are key to aspirin's effectiveness. But as with all medications, aspirin comes with potential side effects. Common ones may include an upset stomach, heartburn, drowsiness, and a mild headache. These are usually short-lived and manageable. However, there are also more serious side effects that demand immediate medical attention. These can include uncontrolled bleeding, severe nausea or vomiting, and changes in hearing. If you experience any of these, it's crucial to seek medical help right away. Remember, your health is paramount, so always stay informed and vigilant about possible side effects. In a nutshell, aspirin can be a highly beneficial medication when used responsibly. Remember, it's used for relieving pain, reducing inflammation, and preventing heart diseases. But it also has side effects like upset stomach and bleeding. Always consult with a healthcare professional and use aspirin responsibly for the best results.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.